Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavre from Gossipfunda. Today's video is about the iPhone 15 stuck in the SOS mode. There are a few troubleshooting steps which we can use to resolve this error. Very first step is to restart your phone. For this, you need to simultaneously press on your volume up, volume down button along with your power button. Then a slider appears. You need to slide and turn off your phone and restart it after a few seconds. Step number 2 is a reset networking settings. For this, tap on settings and then go to general. Over there, scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset and reset all settings and network settings. So this would also remove the SOS phone stuck. The next thing is to put your phone on airplane mode. You can do this by either dragging the control center down and tapping on the airplane icon, or you can go to settings and toggle on the airplane mode. Then you can also remove your physical SIM card and try cleaning it and reinserting it. Also, the very last step is to have an updated version of your iOS. For this, tap on settings, go to general and click on software update. A update makes sure that all your bugs and software glitches are cleaned and resolved. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.